बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। The use of NCR combinations for identical objects in probability. Well, we use NCR even for the selections of identical objects in probability. For example, if we need probability of letter A from these three letters, then we will write 2C1 for the selection of 1A from these two A's, because each A has an equal chance of occurring. That is why I use 2C1 for 1A from 2 A's. Since we have three letters altogether, for total I use 3C1, like 1 from 3 letters. And if you solve this question through simple probability method, then you will write probability of letter A is 2 upon 3 like this. So we use combination even for the selections of identical objects only in probability. So make sure you always use combinations if the question is of probability. But remember, for selections, like for unique selections, we never use NCR for identical objects. So if the question is only for selections of identical objects and not probability, then never use combinations. For example, if we need 1A from these three letters, then there is just one way to select 1A from these three letters. Don't write 2C1. There is just one way to select 1A from these three letters. But for probability, we must use NCR, even for the selections of identical objects, as each has equal chance of occurring. See, both A's has equal chance of occurring. That is why for probability of 1A from these three letters, I use 2C1 here, 1A from 2A's, and 3C1 here, and the answer is 2 upon 3. And this is the best example of this concept. This question is from June 21, paper 52. Part C. Four letters are selected at random from the 8 letters of the word tomorrow. Find the probability. Now this is very important. I will use combinations for the selections of identical objects in this question, because this question is of probability. So find the probability that this selection contains at least one O and at least one R. So we need 4 letters with this restriction from the 8 letters. So there are 3 O's and 2 R's, and the remaining letters are 3. We need 4 with this condition. So this is the first way. We can have 1 O and 1 R and 2 letters from remaining 3 letters. So for 1 O from 3 O's, we should write 3C1. This is the important thing. You have to use combination here, because all 3 O's, here, each O has equal chance of occurring from these 3. And for 1 hour from 2 hours, write 2C1. And this is simple. We need 2 letters from 3 letters, so 3C2. Now, the second possibility with respect to this condition, 1O selections with 1O and 2 R's and 1 remaining letter from 3 letters. So for 1O, write 3C1. For 2 R's from 2 R's, we can write 2C2. And 1 letter from remaining 3, 3C1. Now selections with 2 O's and 1 R and 1 remaining letter. So for 2 O's from 3O, write 3C2. 1 R, 2C1, and 1 from 3 is 3C1. Now all 3 O's, 3C3, 1 R, 2C1. 2 O's and 2 R's, 3C2 for 2 O's from 3 O's, and 2 R's means 2C2. We just need to add all. So these are the possible ways. So there are total 50 ways. Now, how will you get total? You need 4 letters from 8. So you have to use 8C4 here. So probability of this requirement is 50 upon 8C4, which is 5 upon 7. So we use combinations for the selections of identical objects only in probability. I hope this lecture will help you to understand the concepts of the use of combinations for the selections of probability, for the selections of identical objects in probability. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.